Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious canned salmon patties. We'll start by gathering our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 15-ounce can of drained salmon, 1 large egg, and about 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs. Don't forget 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of fresh dill, and a pinch of salt and pepper to taste. These basic items are all you need to create a fantastic meal in under 30 minutes. Now, let's get to mixing. First, flake your drained salmon into a medium-sized bowl. Then, add the large egg, 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs, 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, and 1 tablespoon of fresh dill. Gently combine all these ingredients using a fork or your hands. Be careful not to overmix, as this can make the patties tough. We want a light and tender texture for our delicious salmon cakes. Once your mixture is ready, it's time to form the patties. Divide the salmon mixture into 4 to 6 equal portions. Gently shape each portion into a patty, about 1 inch thick. Next, heat 2 tablespoons of your preferred cooking oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Carefully place the patties in the hot oil and cook them for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side until they are beautifully golden brown and crispy. Your delicious salmon patties are now ready to enjoy. Serve them warm, straight from the skillet. A squeeze of fresh lemon juice or a few lemon wedges adds a bright, zesty flavor that complements the salmon perfectly. For a classic pairing, offer a side of homemade tartar sauce or a crisp green salad. These versatile patties make a fantastic light lunch or a satisfying dinner, ready in under 30 minutes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.